everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Varo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Varo's account, firstly, open your Google search. Type in Varo sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, enter your email address and create a password for your Varo's account. Enter your first and last name, your company's name, Varo client number, point of sale, and then click on Create Account. Before clicking on Create Account, tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Varo. This is how you can create an account on your Varo quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.